So today we're looking at this 2024 Rockwood Roo 235S. Right here in the front here, you got your outdoor kitchen, you got your griddle, and then you've got your fridge as well as your cabinets. Got some cabinet space in there. It's also got, the nice thing about this Rockwood is it has hidden hinge cabinet doors everywhere, so you don't have to look at the nasty hinges wherever they're at. So got extra space in the fridge here. You need a beer or some snacks outside when you're having the outdoor parties. Right here you got room for a table, you got plug-ins and everything else. You hook in for the door, your outside speaker system, as well as your duct right there. It's also a dual axle camper. Nice thing about this hybrid is it has the pop outs, and so you get more sleeping room, but it's also lighter weight and you just get more room that way for living space. We'll take a look on in the inside here. Coming in here, you've got the back bedroom here. And this is a queen, RV queen mattress. Up here, you got some storage with the netting, and then you have your curtain that comes across here to make that a separate room. Control panel right here, as well as your solar controller right here, and that is the 30-amp solar controller. Right here, you have your thermostat. We'll take you farther in here. We'll take a look at the bathroom on our way in. You've got your porcelain toilet, shower and all that, and you just get a look around in there. Your shower does have a skylight for all you tall people who just need a little extra room when you shower in there, and that's extra in that. Now, I know you ladies like a deep sink, a big sink. This one fit all your pots and pans, whatever you're trying to clean, even if your husband's doing the dishes, which, you know, you need to make him do that more. You go in over here, you look at your pantry, you got more storage, little hooks for whatever you need to hang up in there. Go across here, you got your oven, your 3 stovetop burners, and this has lights on it for on and then on the handles there. Your microwave, standard microwave for campers usually, and then your fan and your light that come above here. Come on over here in the other part of the kitchen, you have your dual hinge fridge and freezer. This is nice because wherever you're at, you can get into the fridge, and that is on both of those. You got a lot of cabinet space. That's one thing Rockwood does a really good job at. They just put cabinets everywhere they can, and it's a really nice feature. Over here, you have your booth, and you can sit 4 people here. This comes up into a table, or it goes down, and you can sleep another person here. Over here, you got your theater seating. You got your cup holders. You got 4 cup holders for whatever you need, snack cups or whatnot. And then you got your lights above here, and they just pop on, and you can adjust it wherever you want for reading light. Over here, you got your front bedroom, and you know, it's a RV queen here. And you got your storage above. Curtain pulls across there, and then more storage underneath the bed for whatever you need to throw under there, whether it be totes, clothes, or whatever else. In your entertainment section here, you got your fireplace right here, and that does give out heat. Your sound bar that goes to your outdoor speakers, you can change zones from in here. And then nice little feature here, behind the TV, it has a hidden compartment. So whatever you guys need to keep safe or hidden, you can put it behind there, and that'll keep it out of the way. Nice thing about this unit as well, it has a max air vent fan, so you can ventilate the area as well.